Morning traders, last day of the week. On the move this morning, we got PBYI. It's down about 36%, decent amount of volume too. SYMC, 15%. NVRO, 17%, close to it. So we got quite a few here that are down big. We got Z up 16%, DBX, Dropbox 6%. So we got quite a few here. We got ROKU still in play today because this sucker was climbing hard yesterday. Did not want to give up. So that's still going to be in play today. And look at BABA. This thing's got almost 500,000 shares already traded. So we got quite a few here we can work with. As far as the market goes, it has not been good for the longs this week. The bulls have been taking a hit. But, you know, it did come from all-time highs, so that's expected. It could very easily turn around and blast over the highs next week. Or not, but we'll see what we can grab at the open today. FGEN, we're going to take this right here for a short. We can get hit. Alright, we're in. We're in at 36.90. Daily looks really good for a short, because it's been downtrending for a while, and then it flushed yesterday. It's not looking too good here. Intraday it gapped down, and now it's being bought up. I don't like that. But stop loss is going to be over the highs here, and target, I like it below 36. Alright, we're at our stop area here. I'm not going to panic out. Just going to wait. Alright. Because this sucker is down quite a bit. More likely than not, it will drop. I just went in the trade just a little too early. FGEN, if this thing don't drop soon, we're going to come out of it. Alright, FGEN, we're going to take this right here if we can. Alright, we're out. There's not enough volume on this thing anymore. It's dying out. Took about 20 cents. SYMC, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. Alright, we're in. We're in at 1863. This thing looks pretty good here for a short. You know, that's a big gap down. Intraday, gaps down, flushed at the open, and then it had a rally all the way up to here, right before 19. So I'm thinking it's turning around here. It's probably going to drop right back down to probably 18. We'll take it around 18.10 or so. Stop loss will be over 19. SYMC. This thing isn't doing anything here. I'm going to come out of this right here. I'm out. I don't like this one anymore. This thing should have done something. Hasn't done anything. So I'm coming out of it before it squeezes up. You know, more likely than not now it's going to squeeze up, I'm thinking, because the market's climbing, and this thing should have turned right about here. This is where it should have turned. It didn't. So we're out. We're out with, what is that, a 3-cent loser plus commissions? I don't see nothing this morning. LYFT, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if we can get hit. Alright, we're in. We're in LYFT at 55.19. Daily looks really good for a short. You know, it's been consolidating in this area for a while, and it cracked already a little bit there. And then intraday, it gapped up, flushed, then rallied a little bit, and then it flushed again. So now it's down at 55. I'm thinking this thing is smooth sailing down to at least 54.75 below there. I'm thinking. If not, then the stop loss will be over 55.75 area. LYFT looks good here. Looks like it wants to crack the lows. See if we can get it down to 54.75. It's hanging on here. I think it'll crack right here. Alright, there we go. We cracked. See if we can keep this thing going. Doesn't drop soon, we're just going to come out of it. Alright, we're going to come out of this right here. Alright, we're out. We're out for about 25 cents. It was just taking too long there. I should have cracked already. You know, it's not cracking, so Wow, it's real slow this morning. Real slow. Z, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. If we can get hit. I think this looks great here for a short. If we can get hit here. All right, we're in. We're in at 36.58. Doesn't look great for a short because it's up for the morning. But look at this thing. It gaps up and it shoots up. And then boom, it just gets destroyed right back down to 35 area. Then it tries to rally again here. I think this thing has absolutely no choice but to go down now. So stop loss is going to be over 37, maybe 37.25 area. And target's going to be below 36, maybe around 35.75 area. We got volume, so, but it is up for today, so I got to be careful. All right, let's take a look at this thing up close. Might work out sooner than later. Z. All right, it's not looking good here. Z, we're going to come out of this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out with about a 25-30 cent loser. Yeah, I don't see that thing going down right now, so look at that. Now it's popping over 37. So it should have gone down. Market's going down. ROKU, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. If we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're in at 84.60. This does not look good for a short, but it's so stretched out that it needs a pullback, and it started to pull back right here. Intraday it opened and it just ran straight up. Then it had a pullback, a good size one. Then it started getting bought up a little bit. It's tapping the 9 here. I'm thinking this thing's going to reverse and shoot down. Look at the market. The market's going down. So I'm thinking this one is going to be, target is going to be around 83.50. And stop loss is going to be over 85. This is a risky trade though because it's up so much like that. ROKU. Alright, it's at our stop area here. We're going to see what happens here. If it don't drop soon, we're going to come out of it. Should drop. Look at the market. That's why I'm still in it. Because the market's just going down and this thing's going up. Come on. You got to follow Big Daddy here. Come on. There you go. That's it. ROKU. Alright, now it's finally coming down. We've been in this for a little bit. It was at our stop area here for a few candles. But the market kept saying stay in this. So I stayed in it. And it looks like it's going to come down. I still think it goes below the lows here. And drops because of the market. And once it picks up momentum, I think it'll be a nice flush. ROKU had that squeeze right there and no follow through, so now I'm thinking it's just gonna drop. Maybe. ROKU finally starts to work in our favor here. Went down 84. That's a nice big fat red candle. So I'm thinking we're gonna have some continuation. ROKU looks like it's about to drop another leg here. See if we can get it below 84 and then we'll probably take it because this thing is really starting to give me a headache here. Should have dropped already. Look at this market. This thing doesn't want to drop. Come on. I know as soon as I get out of it, it's going to drop hard. Alright. You know what? We're going to come out of this right here. Alright, we're out of 100. Alright, we're full out. Out for about close to 70 cents. Oh, now it breaks. Look at that thing. Now it breaks. Oh man, I waited and waited and waited. As soon as I got out, it breaks. ROKU. Look at this thing. We just got out of it. And right after we got out of it, this thing just collapsed. Collapsed. This is what I was waiting for. I know. I literally got out right here. Right about here. And boom. Drops. It was a rough session today. I didn't see much that I liked today. The only one I really liked was this one. And LYFT was pretty good too, but I got out of that one a little bit too early. But that's going to be it for me today. We're up 108. Let's take a look at the trades. 5 trades, 3 winners and 2 losers. Our biggest winner on ROKU and our biggest loser on Z. Thanks for watching.